Hey you guys, it's Shelly. I wanted to show you this tire shine made by Chemical Guys. It does come in a nice little spray bottle, so you don't have to worry about putting it in another bottle or anything. It comes ready to go. You just open it up and you turn the little nozzle and then you spray it on your tire. This tire is nice and dry, so after he cleaned his truck and cleaned his tire and everything with their other products, he sprays it on the tire, he sprays it on that rag, and he just lightly goes over the front of the tire with it, and you can see how much shinier it makes it than what it was. It takes kind of that dullness away from it and just adds a little bit of shine to the tire, making them look like they're brand new. So it's definitely a thumbs up from us. He uses it all the time on his tires. It looks wonderful. It makes it look nice and new. So we love it. We hope you love it. Thumbs up from us, and we would definitely recommend it.